everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to use your own music on TikTok videos. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you as soon as we post a new video. Here's how you can add sounds to your TikTok videos. First, tap open your TikTok app and tap on the plus icon and record your video like you normally do. After you record your video, tap on the check mark on the bottom right side of your screen. Now tap on sounds at the bottom left corner of the screen. To add your own sounds, you can add it from your music library as well. Tap on my sounds on the top right corner of the screen. To add your own sounds, you can add it from your music library. Tap on the sound you want to add and tap on the check mark. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to finish uploading your video as you normally do. You can see that the sound has been added. To post it, simply tap on the post button right here on the bottom right corner of the screen. And that is how you can add your own music on your TikTok videos. I hope the video was useful to you. If yes, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back again with more videos soon. Thank you for watching.